Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to edit your thumbnails and photos with this app called Fotor. It has amazing features and you have so many options to choose from. So I started off by downloading some pictures from Google, and I also downloaded a background to use for the video. You go to open computer and then you choose your pictures. It could be any background you're using if you're going for, a very nice and colorful background for your thumbnails. You also have an option to change the dimensions of your thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720. So when you want to add overlays, you go to the stickers feature and there's an option where it says use your own, and basically that's where you upload your overlays. But you can ultimately go to the cloud feature, which is just below the text feature, and you can upload your images from the computer and they'll be saved on this cloud tab. So I added all these pictures that I got from my computer onto the background and placed them how I wanted them to look on the thumbnail while changing the sizing and playing around with them. After adding all of the pictures I added some text, which was the title of, the title of the thumbnail basically, and it could be anything. And you also have a wide range of fonts to choose from. As you can see, you had the option of adding a heading as well as a subheading. So I also decided to add a little something because I felt like the thumbnail wasn't really doing enough for me. So I added a sticker and it zhuzhed up my thumbnail a little. There's also a wide range of frames you can choose from. I chose the Polaroid frame to show you guys what it will look like, and it looks very cool. just add how much I love this application because it's really fast and it does not lag. It did not lag at once. It was quick. Everything that I clicked on was quickly loaded, and it's better than anything I've used, to be honest with you. And by the way, guys, it is absolutely free. I mean, you can always choose a subscription plan, but it's pretty awesome for what you get for free. So this is my thumbnail, and as you can see, it's very nice and it's very colorful. It was quick to do, and I absolutely love everything about this app. So if you want to save yourself time and have a wide range of options to choose from, then this is the best app for you. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. And if you'd like to see a video of how I edit my pictures with this app, then just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you'd also like me to get in depth with some of the features this app has, then just let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and like I said, please don't forget to subscribe and show me some love down below. If you have any video suggestions or anything you'd like to see, then comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.
So you say you wanna get away.